Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original Christmas design. This is the Yuletide knot. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, it's going to be at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to put in any kind of fold that I feel like doing. I'm just going to kind of wrap it around like that. Don't know what you call that, but that's what we'll do. We're going to come over here. We're going to come down like this. Then we're going to come up and over. Leave this loose. And then bring it around like this. So you'll just kind of bring it around. It'll kind of naturally fold like that. Then you'll bring this through like this. I'm going to bring it out like this. We're going to come around. And we're going to come down like this. Then I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to put it through here. And then I'm going to bring it down here. Let me put my collar down for you. We'll fix that. Open it up for you, and there's Yuletide knot. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video for more Christmas style knots for 2018. Peace and God bless.